So I want to get to your stock pick for today. You said that it's Sasol.
Yeah, well, why not? Just take a nice punt on Sasol. I mean, I know the share price has gone up a little bit in the last short while, not a lot compared to where it's come from. But if there's global economic growth, chemical prices will go up. Sasol's very geared to chemical prices. The oil price will go up, but the rand will also strengthen, if I'm right, in the commodity cycle. So there won't be, benefit too much from oil. But can things get any worse for Sasol? And certainly, when you look at the share price, I mean, this thing's trading at incredibly low valuations. This is of the lowest I've ever seen a Sasol, if not the lowest rating by the market. So,
Mark, let's get to your stock picker for today. What are you choosing?
Yes, so like I said, I still think that South African banks is a good way to play the economic recovery in South Africa. So I'm picking Standard Bank tonight. It had a fantastic year last year. I really shot the lights out. Earnings grew by 27%. The Standard Bank Africa business had a really good year, plus had the weaker rand, so they had that additional benefit. This year, the earnings growth are going to look more subdued, rand strength, but 65% of their business is still South Africa, and they will benefit a lot if this economy can go from a 0.5% real GDP growth rate to a 2%, or even, if we can dream a bit, even higher than that.
Yeah.
So they have this fantastic base in South Africa. They've got the scale, and in banking, scale matters a lot. You've got a big fixed cost base, and if you can, if the lending environment allows you to lend faster, and because the economy is growing, the bad debt ratio comes down, these businesses are very leveraged to a growing economy. And I think that the share price is only up 2% excluding dividends so far this year, so it hasn't really gotten going yet. And I think you'll get a nice dividend yield plus earnings growth, and even a bit of a re-rating, because you're not paying an expensive price for the stock.
All right. Thank you so much for your time and for your analysis today, Mark. Really, really appreciate it. And to Wayne, of course, earlier on. That is all for tonight's Stock Watcher. Thanks to our guests, Wayne McCurrie from FNB Wealth and Investments and Mark du Toit from Oyster Catcher Investments. Up next, The Close. Stay tuned.